Thank you for signing in to our TED lessons, and today's skills lesson is on capital letters, and you're going to learn to use them at the right time so that your writing is clearer and gets a higher grade. Yes, they are important. Nowadays we're getting rather sloppy and not really using our capital letters as we should do, because they're often left out when we're texting and messaging, and they really help your writing because they show the reader at a glance the names of particular people and places, and they show you know about writing in a formal style. Look at this, it's got no capital letters here. You can see that it just doesn't look right, it isn't punctuated correctly, and it really lacks all the capital letters that it should have. I matter. The capital letter is always used for the personal pronoun I, but not for other personal pronouns, as in he, she, we, etc. So whenever you use an I, never ever put a small I with a dot there. You always use the capital I. That rule never changes. You need to use capital letters for people's names and titles, as in Meg Smith, Sir Bob Young, Miss Alice Cart, Queen Elizabeth, Dr. Jackson, Uncle Tom and Aunt Alice, but not when you refer to family members as in my uncle or his dad. You always use capitals for places, as in streets, cities, counties and countries, like Old Joram Road, Hankleton Way, Sussex and Spain, and rivers, mountains and buildings like the River Thames, Mount Everest, the Channel Tunnel and the Tower of London. You must always use capitals for the days of the week, months or holidays. The examples here are August bank holiday is always on Monday, I was born in November and it will be Christmas in December. Again, you need to use capitals for languages, nationalities and religions, as in these three examples. She is learning German, he is Italian and many people are Islamic. You need to use capitals for the first word and other important words in the title of a book, play or film, etc., as in Lord of the Flies, Romeo and Juliet, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and What Does the Fox Say? And finally, capitals should always be used for the first word in a sentence of direct speech. As in this example, they asked, "What has taken you so long?" Okay, so now you've listened to this tutorial, have a go at the quiz and activity, and always remember to use your capital letters in your writing. Whatever task you're completing, whether it's a reading assessment, writing assessment, you're writing formally, informally, when and wherever you're writing, do remember to use your capital letters appropriately because they really do matter.